What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a little while since I give you guys an update, or given you guys an update on this Project GTi video, or series, as you may say. We now have a dentless hatch, thanks to a buddy of mine who lives a few doors down from me, who helped me put it on. Appreciate that. Now all I have to do is get this dent taken care of on the quarter. Then it's going to be ready for some paint. I also did get a lip kit. It is the 25th anniversary lip kit. I'm still having problems finding the front lip, so if anybody out there knows of anybody that has a front lip, let me know. You guys will probably never guess how much I paid for the hatch. And I got roof moldings on both sides. If you guys watched previous videos, then you know that these were missing. So I got this here, that strip, and on the other side the new hatch. I also got a hood release little kick panel. I think that's it. I paid 60 bucks for everything. Entire hatch, roof moldings, hood release kick panel, trim panel, whatever you want to call it, for 60 bucks. And all that fit in the terrain. My wife's truck that I got her. So I can't fathom the fact that I paid 60 bucks alone for the hatch. And the only thing wrong with it is right there, that little scratch. So it does have like a tiny little pinhole dent in it, but that's easily fixable. Not like this massive dent that was on the old one. So I really took a score there, got a score. Once I fix this dent, have the rear windows resealed, put the lip kit on, find the front lip, most importantly, then it's on to color. The GLI is still on the rotiforms for now. I've had some people interested in purchasing them from me. Look at those water. It just rained last night, so there's slight film of rust on the rotors. That'll go off once I move the car. But I had some people interested in the rotiforms. All of them are just, you know, tire kickers or whatever you want to call them. They're just asking for prices. They don't really want to buy them. Thanks for watching this very quick update video, you guys. Only thing I have left on the interior is a new headliner, as this one kind of is getting soaked because of the leak that it has when it rains, which has been fixed. I just need to get a new headliner. Well, actually the base of the headliner, the board, and get it rewrapped. But once I get that done, take care of the little AC Climatronic trim piece that goes around the bottom, and then the interior is done. And I did, by the way, get a mirror. That's what it was. I got a mirror with the hatch and the roof moldings, all for 60 bucks, and the mirror base. So shout out to the Dub Shop, located in Ocala, Florida. That is where I got all of my parts. If you guys are interested for any parts for Jettas, Jetta wagons, I think he's got a Beetle out there, a couple GTIs. If you guys need any parts, just hit him up, see what he has. If he doesn't have it, he's pretty quick on responding. If he doesn't have it, he'll tell you. If he has it, obviously he'll give you a price. Very reasonable guy, very reasonable pricing, as you guys can see. Take care, guys. See you on the next one.